So what I've done is I've laid out the lower plenum, which is the support for the main frame. I've marked it also, and we can see where the components of it go, because it's a whole bunch of different parts. The main panel skin I've taped off to prevent any glue seeping onto the panel, spending a day cleaning up all the glue that seeps onto it, which is something that I learned over the last while, so it's taped and ready to go. So we'll just lay that now inward on this, and then we'll lay out the lines for the glue, and then we'll lay the frame on it and then clamp it all down. It's actually in the right spot, which is a bit fussy. I zigzag it because I spread it out, and then this way we're going to zigzag it. I find that it gives me good even spread. See how it's almost right to the edge, and it's nice and even. So you can see if you look down here, you can see the glue. There's virtually there's no open spots at all. Very, very clean. It spreads really nicely now. Apply water. Activate the glue. Just a misting is sufficient. Not tight at this point. This is not. Take it down because my skin floated a bit too much.
It's a floater!
You should have about an 1/8 inch at your end.
I got about 3/8.
3/8?
Quarter.
Okay, so get it back to a little bit too much.
An 8 now.
How's that?
That should be good.
Okay. Alright. I don't have to get it to float this time.
Yeah.
That's better. For consistent glue to come out from underneath the frame all the way around. And when I get that, then I feel I have a good adhesion. Come over here, you can actually see as I use, you can actually watch the glue squeeze out. See the glue actually come out from underneath. It out right here.
Yeah.
You can see that. That's what I'm looking for. I want that consistency all the way around the whole panel. $30. And we're looking at 1 to 2 hours. 2, that's a 2, not a 3. So inside the cavity, for all intents and purposes, there's a large 1.5 inch thick foam sheet in here. Also put 2-inch foam on the top, the bottom, in the middle, where my glasses go. And then we spray foam the whole exterior of all that foam and fill it all up to about 75% of capacity. That way the expansion will fill the full capacity to 100%. And we sprayed the whole glued section, all the foam, all the glue, everything. We sprayed it all with water, misted it with water, so that it all expands at a consistent rate, okay? And then we clamped it. So, needless to say, so it's 1.5 inch foam in the center, 2-inch foam on top, bottom, and middle, and then spray foam all the way around, both top and bottom, and then we glue the skin on top. These end up in the middle. I put these slats up so that it presses the whole piece of MDF down onto my panel. And there's also long ones that sit in here. They go laterally like that. It's all blocked in. So this is the way this is all set up. And what we do is we add the process. Try not to scuff your skin. And then they go on like that and they get bolted down. Same as before. Same idea.